A very good morning to all. I am Dr. Marudurai R, scientist in agriculture entomology, working at ICR Central Coastal Agriculture Research Institute, Goa, presenting a paper on impact of climate change on habitat suitability of fall armyworms Spodoptera frugivida based on Maxent modeling. Fall armyworms Spodoptera frugivida is an highly invasive polyphagous pest native to the America. They has a wide coast range and recorded on more than 353 coast plants, but prefer to feed more on maize, sorghum, and other paragraphs. In India, it was first reported on maize from Sivamogga district of Karnataka. Within the short span of introduction, the highly migratory pest spread to all the maize growing states of India. You can see the damage symptom of fall armyworm, pinhole symptoms on the vegetative stage. Maize plant are completely eaten away by the fall armyworm larva. Damage of fall armyworm larva on the maize cobs. The incidence of damage incident fall armyworm on maize ranged from 6 to 100% reported in various districts of Karnataka. Climate change significantly affect the geographic distribution and abundance of the insect pests. Climate factors like temperature, humidity, precipitation, and wind speed and directly affect the reproduction distribution of insect pests. Being a migrant pest of migrant and multivalent pest, polyworm may respond to better to the phenomenon of climate change. The recent study suggests that number of polyworm broods, that means mean number of generations per year, was reported was more under future climate change scenario. Because of strong destructive nature of polyworm on different coast plants, it is very important to monitor the polyworm spreads. Predicting the bioclimatic suitability of polyworm under future climate change scenario through species distribution modeling could facilitate developing a effective pest management strategy forewarning of the highly notorious pest. The objective of the current study is to predict the potential distribution of Spodoptera frugivida under future climate change scenario based on Maxent modeling. Material methods. The occurrence record, a total of 215 occurrence record was collected. Primary data mainly collected from the state of Goa. Other state, the second data were collected. A total of 19 bioclimatic variables were obtained from the Global Climate Database. After the correlation, finally 10 climatic variables were selected for the studies. We used dataset for bioclimatic variable for current study 1970 to 2000, 2050, 2042, 2060 and 2070, 2061 to 2080. We used CIMIX model, coupled model intercomparison project 6. Under CIMIX, new future pathway based on socioeconomic assumptions are known as SAD socioeconomic pathway. The SSP are categorized into low forcing scenario, medium forcing scenario, high forcing scenario. The SSP 1 2.6 and the SSP 5 8.5 were selected in this study to represent low and high emission scenario. We used to model BCC CSM to MR. Distribution modeling, Maxent maximum entropy species distribution modeling is a universal model to predict the potential habitat distribution of the insect pest. The occurrence record of the following were divided into two sets, 70% and 20% for model training and testing, and the performance of the model was assessed based on the area and receiver operator curve. Jackknife test was used to identify the important bioclimatic variable. The output of the model was projected to the spatial map on the selected climate change scenario. We divided the habitat suitability on the map into 5 levels as high habitat suitability, optimum habitat suitability, moderate habitat suitability, low habitat suitability, and unsuitable habitat. Coming to the resultant discussion, the model performance and influence of bioclimatic variable. Higher mean training AUC value of 0.94 and a test value of 0.93 indicated a high accuracy of the Maxent model to predict the potential distribution of the fall armyworm. The graph shows the most important bioclimatic variable for the prediction of the Spodoptera frugivida. Among the bioclimatic variable, Bio 12, that is annual precipitation, Bio 1, annual mean temperature, Bio 4, temperature seasonality were the strongest predicted for the Spodoptera frugivida distribution. These three bioclimatic variables contribute 70% for the distribution of the Spodoptera frugivida. The jackknife test results also showed that Bio 2 had higher mean predictive power. The graph shows that the probability of Spodoptera occurrence was negatively correlated with the annual precipitation. Its presence increased around 800 mm. After that, it started declining. The probability of Spodoptera frugivida presence increased till 30 degrees centigrade. After that, it became constant. Current potential distribution of fallen armyworm. This map, red color indicate the highly suitable area. orange color indicate the optimum suitable habitat, yellow color indicate moderately suitable habitat, green color low suitable habitat, and the gray color unsuitable area. Under current climatic condition, the highly and optimum suitable habitat were mostly detected in parts of Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, and Meghalaya. Under low emission scenario, SSP 1 2.6 2050, the highly and optimum suitable area were more or less similar to the current climate condition. There was little increase in the highly and optimum suitable habitat area. Under low emission scenario 2070, there was little increase in the optimum and highly suitable area. There was absence of highly suitable habitat in the northeastern state. Under high emission scenario, there was a significant increase of highly and optimal suitable habitat area for Spodoptera frugivida, spread and invasion almost found in the entire southern state of India. The conclusion of the present study is annual precipitation and annual mean temperature were the strongest major factor in determining the potential distribution of fall armyworm. Multimodal ensemble predicted the highest risk of invasion and spread of fall armyworm under future climate change scenario. The prediction could be used to forecast the potential distribution of fall armyworm and combating outbreak well in advance. Thank you.